मोहब्बतें में जैसे वो पत्ते थे वैसे वाला कलर है ये. The color on this was a total sell for me with some like बाहर आने वाली चीजें. Too broad bro, पूरी स्क्रीन जितना बड़ा शर्ट है. What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas 2022. For today I'm filming a haul video to show you all everything जो मैंने खरीदा है अभी recent times में, because अभी almost 2-3 तो shopping vlogs हो गए in Vlogmas only, and you all know I've done a lot of shopping because I'm traveling very soon because I'm going for a really long लंबी वाली छुट्टी है, लंबा वाला ब्रेक. उसी के साथ I'm very excited to show you all of this. It's like a proper winter clothing haul and majorly it's just clothes, no bags, nothing, because अभी सिंगापुर से I bought bags and shoes and all, so did not do any accessory shopping. I've only done clothing haul. So if you're interested to know everything that I got, then continue watching. But if it's the first time you've come on my channel, then hi, I'm Sarah. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, join the Sarah squad. I'm sure you love it here, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video you get notified. And with that we can dive straight into this. Okay, first I'm going to show what I got from Zara, because Zara से मैंने इतनी ज़्यादा चीज़ें नहीं ली है and I might try this and it might not fit me also, so if that happens then I might not even be able to carry on my vacation. But Zara का best thing is that you get a refund when you give your card, you know, so I don't try in Zara because लंबी line होती है, especially weekends पे they have a very long queue, so I prefer to just get it and then see if it fits me or looks good on me or if I can style it. The first thing I've got is very unique to my wardrobe. This is a leather skort. मैंने कभी भी skorts नहीं खरीदे अपनी लाइफ में, so this is first of its kind मेरी wardrobe में. So it's basically like a shorts, बीच में there is a division also. बाहर से वो दिखती skirt जैसी है but अंदर से वो पैर का division है, so that's why it's a shorts and skirt का mixture skort. So that's the concept, and it's leather. It's a black leather one and it's got a nice bow detail. It's really short and I liked that it's a skort because मैं ज़्यादा short skirts तो कभी भी आपने मुझे नहीं देखा होगा पहनते हुए. I have really big butt, so I don't prefer wearing short skirts because it'll just ride up and I'll be uncomfortable in it. But at least if it's a shorts it's fine, because shorts में I can like move around. I'm more free in a shorts. That's why I bought this. I bought them in the size large. They're for 2590. मैं try करके देखूंगी. I really hope it fits me. I have a little bit of a doubt. इतनी पतली तो मेरी कमर है नहीं, तो देखते हैं. Second thing I got is this very luxurious feel वाला satin shirt. I really like the satin shirts in Zara. Their quality is very nice. I have all the colors in the Zara satin shirt. I have this pink. I have a satin green. I have a white. I think I have another color also that I'm not able to remember. But now I got this black. This is on the more expensive side as opposed to this. ये वाले I think 1000 की range में, ये 2990, so almost 3000, but you can feel the fabric difference. Like this satin is more thin, more fine. This one almost has a lining also. It has a cotton lining and it's bahar se satin. Very luxurious feel, and it has this pearl detailing on the neckline. So it's very English girl vibes with full sleeves, and again satin shirt you can't go wrong with. Sleeves maybe there's a pearl detailing, and again you can't go wrong with a satin shirt. It's an evergreen. You can style it in multiple ways and it looks really elegant no matter you want to wear it for lunch or dinner or to a vacation or whatever. Next मैंने ये turtleneck लिया है, black color का turtleneck है, full sleeves. It's little warm, it's not super warm. You can definitely wear it in Bombay also in the December January season because इतनी woolen lining नहीं है इसकी. But I got this majorly for my holiday because I need like thermals, turtlenecks, all of that, and I want to carry variations in them. This is from the Zara Basic. ये 990 का पड़ा था. Then I got another full sleeves top. This one's a burgundy color और ये old fashion है because ये पहले भी इनके पहले collections में भी था. It's very soft woolen and it has this nice gold button detailing, pressed button detail, और ये size मैंने small लिया है, in 1890 rupees का है. It's a full sleeves burgundy top, जैसा मेरी wall का color है वैसे ही इसका भी color है. I took a size small because ये stretchable fabric है, so I think it will have give and look really good. Again can be styled in a lot of ways, which is why I got it. ये same जो shirt मेरी है satin वाली Zara से ही है, ये सेम में अभी उनके नए कलर्स आते ही रहते हैं. Every time I go they have a new color to display, so I got a new color from the collection. This is a nice bottle green color. I think it's very Christmas appropriate. ये मैंने अपने कोई भी एक Christmas dinner के लिए I was thinking I'll wear maybe to the team dinner, or I'm going to have a couple of dinners to attend for Christmas, तो इसीलिए I bought it. Very Christmas appropriate color. Green is the color of the season. तो इस हिसाब से I got a green satin shirt. I already have the light green, so I got a dark green also. I will travel with it too. Satin is also easy to pack. You can just fold, and it will become like a small thing. So that's all for my Zara haul. These are all the things that I got from Zara. Two things I might exchange. One is this and one is even the turtleneck. I'm in two minds because I feel like मैंने ना Uniqlo से भी दो चीजें मंगाई है. So I've got this and this. पहली बार मैंने Uniqlo पे शॉपिंग की है. इनका मुंबई में स्टोर नहीं, आउटलेट नहीं है. So I ordered it on the app and it came to me in 6 days. So that's the delivery time in Bombay, in case you're wondering, because I was wondering. Because मेरे holiday तक आया नहीं आया, you never know. Like मैंने Urbanic पे चीजें मंगाई जो अभी तक मैंने order किया है और नहीं आया है. That's the reason why I was a little iffy. But they have really good thermal wear on Uniqlo is what I've heard. I've never really shopped, but I've heard they have the best thermal wear and it's really expensive. Like एक thermal 2490 का है, like almost 2500 का one thermal is. So I wanted to see what the hype is about. This is from their Heat Tech variant. So this is also a turtleneck that I've ordered on Uniqlo. इसमें है ऐसा thermal की lining, but इतना पतला है तो I don't know ये मुझे कितना warm रखेगा उधर. It has this fleece वाला lining and it is some Heat Tech वाला technology. तो full sleeves है, काफी लंबी sleeves है और काफी लंबा torso भी cover करता है. बाहर से it looks cotton and inside it has a very nice warm lining and this is also turtleneck. ये मैं मुंबई में पहन सकती हूँ. ये तो इनर होगा, ये पहन के इसके ऊपर मुझे चीजें चढ़ानी पड़ेगी उधर. ऐसा कपड़ा है. And I ordered a pant also. That I ordered in the size large and the pant was rupees 2490 again. And again the Heat Tech वाला आप इधर देख सकते हो, इधर mentioned है Heat Tech variant. So these are ultra warm. Like look at that. The ultra warm Heat Tech from Uniqlo and the pant I called is also black because black is a safe color. हर चीज पे चला जाएगा and multiple ways I can style black. I don't want to carry a lot also with me because लंबी छुट्टी तो है but flight वाले थोड़ा ही luggage allow करते हैं. So I need to be under the limitation also. So this has an elastic over here. It's XL size and it's full length pant. Again इसकी भी lining same ही है, fleece lining है और बाहर से cotton का feel है. So here's hoping that it keeps me warm on my holiday. Next you all can see I have a Sephora bag over here, so I'm going to quickly show you all कि मैंने Sephora India से क्या लिया है. First got a MAC concealer for mummy because she wanted a good concealer, so this is like my Christmas gift to her. I got her this shade NC44. मम्मी ने लिया है, but it was concealing really well. So she's got NC44. I am 43.5 in the foundation. It looks very light for 44. मम्मी अब she wants to like get new and good makeup. She was using very wrong shades for herself. So the Dior foundation that she got for me, I mostly give her only to use because वो मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा light है. So mostly she only uses my foundation and then she doesn't have a concealer of her shade. So NC44 हमने try करके लिया है Sephora से, तो this is matching her properly. I don't know how come this looks lighter than my 43.5 वाला foundation. तो I think उनका concealer का shade बहुत different है foundation से, because I am 43.5 in the foundation and she's bought 44 in the concealer. I don't have a concealer in MAC, so I don't know my particular shade in this. For myself, I got the Briogeo hair mask. This is the first time I'm buying something from this brand. I think Kathleen Lights was my original inspiration to start YouTube. She's a sweetheart and उनके videos में she used to always say that she loves Briogeo के hair care products, and even though they are expensive, they are worth it. And I'm still trying to find that perfect hair mask which repairs my hair because मेरे hair इतने ज़्यादा damaged है. I use Olaplex and I get my Olaplex at the salon also, but I just want to get something for home. Other than this, in the affordable category, I do use Love Beauty and Planet. So I just want to invest in my hair a little bit and see does this really make a difference, because इसको award भी मिला Allure Beauty Expert 2020 and it's very well rated. Okay, Briogeo as a brand only has really good hair care and it's very well rated. It's of course on the expensive side. This was 3,800 for this hair mask. So if it works also, I will use it very sparingly. एकदम बूंद बूंद बालों को लगाने से पहले I will think about it. Next I got the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. This I saw in somebody's reel and it's this golden liquidy thing. Look at that. It looks so pretty and you get very less amount. This is also I think 3,000 का ही कुछ ये भी product है. 2,950. So it's basically bonding oil. मतलब Olaplex के जितने भी products हैं ना, they are for bond repair. So the breakage that happens from between, it's mainly focused towards that. And I have number 3 that I use as a conditioner, as a hair mask. 15 days में एक बार. This I was thinking I'll use as a serum and I will see कि does it really, is it that great or no. Mainly got it because it looks very promising to me. So it's a really expensive serum, but again I want to invest in my hair because for hair I've literally damaged my hair with colors, so I need to do something about it. In makeup I got this Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow all-in-one tinted moisturizer. I'm really enjoying the skin-like finish of things nowadays. I don't like putting foundation or heavy makeup. I just do concealer. I don't even apply a base layer. I just do concealer and powder and that's it, and I keep my cheeks as it is with blush. तो ये मैंने श्रेया जैन की स्टोरी में देखा था, her using it, and I was like, you know what, if I get a color in it I might check it out too. It is a tinted moisturizer, तो थोड़ा सा coverage मिलेगा, but mostly you'll just get that color on this, and I got the color tan. I got the shade tan. It did suit me on the hand really well, so I will try it on my face maybe in shorts, and also I'll carry this with me on my trip because trip पे रोज travel करते समय to do like a full face makeup is very exhausting. So that's the reason why I got this before my travel, because I was like, if it works for me, great. Smashbox is a brand I've always loved. Whenever I used to get pocket money also, I used to like invest in Smashbox makeup because their lipsticks are to die for. Their Studio Skin foundation is also really good, and that's everything I got from Sephora. Okay, next I'm gonna show you what I got from H&M. H&M is my favorite place. sabhi kuch mil jata hai. First I got this very cute puffer jacket. It's really pretty. It's this blue lavenderish color, very powder blue is the color, and I love that it's cropped, but it's also super puffy. It's super puffy, very cute. इसमें काफी colors थे. दूर से when Sakshi saw this, she was like, you have to get this. It's so cute. But I was like a little hesitant because इसको pack करना मुश्किल होगा. When I said this in the vlog, so many of y'all have sent me this packing reel. इसको कैसे pack करते puffer jackets को? There's a technique of packing them, you know, one into the other, the sleeve, and it becomes really small. So I'm going to follow that to pack this and also share maybe in my YouTube vlog जब मैं packing करूँगी trip की. There's a zip, of course. There's no lining as such. It's just a puffer jacket through and through. मेरे पास Urbanic का भी ऐसा है, but वो बहुत बड़ा है और बहुत भारी है because उसमें layers है. There's a woolen layer inside and then a puffer and lots of things, and then there's that furry cap also. वो मैं लेके गई थी लद्दाख उठा के यहाँ से, और लद्दाख में इतनी ठंडी थी नहीं, खाली वो भारी लेके गई. 3 दिन में तो I was in the hospital and I had to carry all that and tag along in Ladakh. So I don't know if I'm going to carry that to this trip because it's going to be super heavy and I don't want to be lugging around things. The color on this was a total sell for me because it's super soft and very cute, and I will style this with all my black thermals and pretty much just roam around in this. Niche also na, there's this thingy over here. I think you're supposed to crop it even more if you want, or just tighten it to your body. So cute one. I really like this. Next I got this black sequin top. तो यही same material का मैंने एक dress भी लिया है, आगे I will show you. So this top I will exchange because इसकी fitting मुझे थोड़ी ill fitting लग रही है. It's okayish, like it's a 2300 top and इतना भी कुछ खास नहीं लग रहा है मेरे पे. So I'm planning to exchange it. The full sleeves का है and the sequence is all over. I thought New Year's के लिए it will be a good fit. I got it in the size medium, but I'm not very impressed with it, so I'm gonna give this back. Again in H&M also भी मैं दुकान में try नहीं करती because they exchange the product for you, so that's the reason why I like to go to the mall again. Next time you go again, you get something more. This I have to process exchange on Myntra because it's H&M, but मैंने Myntra से मंगाया है and it's super big for me. I love the top and I love the jersey fabric. Probably जब मैं दुकान में ये exchange करूँगी, मैं ये अपनी size में लेके आऊँगी and then I'll just exchange this on Myntra and get a refund. This I got in the size large, but I should size down on this and get like a small because large looks like too broad, bro. पूरी screen जितना बड़ा shirt है ये, तो ये बहुत बड़ा हो गया मेरे लिए, and it's like jersey ribbed material knitwear type of thing, almost warm, तो you can understand कि कैसा fabric होगा इसका. But I like this American flag colors that are going on नीचे. I have the bill. ये मेरी exchanging वाली थैली थी actually. These are the things I have to exchange except the puffer jacket. Next we've got things I am actually keeping, and that's a huge filled bag. It's actually 2 bags का सामान in one. अभी guys इसमें H&M का bag है, but there's going to be 1-2 pieces from Myntra and Urbanic also, so stay with me on this journey. The first thing I've got is this purple very cute full sleeves top which is almost turtleneck. It's not fully वो foldable वाला turtleneck, but it's halfway there and it's a very nice warm piece. and ये तो आप लोग मुंबई के लिए सोचना ही नहीं, ये proper like Delhi winters, North India winters के लिए it's great, and also if you're like traveling and all, it's great. This is, I think I've already cut the price tag, but it was around 1500ish. Next I got my favorite piece, which is this very soft, cozy, cute fleece almost type of material, which is like this, you know, वो निकल रहा है, but it's like fairy tale-esque. मुझे ऐसा फेरी टेल फैब्रिक लगता है ये. This is in the size medium and it's also just a full sleeves pullover kind of t-shirt, but it is not turtleneck. It's a cardigan material with some like बाहर आने वाली चीजें. Color एकदम off white सा है, बहुत सुंदर है, cute है, can be styled again in multiple ways. Want to travel with things I can wear again and again with like different styling elements. Again got another neutral color. This I liked because of the neckline. I really like necklines like this which are deep and they have a collar clearly. And this is full sleeves and a nude color. So it's a cool toned nude. मेरे पास ऐसे colors है नहीं मेरे wardrobe में. Truth be told, it makes my skin look dull, which is why I don't opt for colors like this. I like to be colorful because my skin looks brighter. But then I got one neutral piece. It'll be easy to style this with my black thermals. Of course, I had to get colorful stuff. So this one I have picked from Myntra. This is from Dressberry in the size large, and it's a nice, very autumn-like, is a maple colored leaf जो गिरे पड़े रहते हैं ना ऐसे मोहब्बतें में जैसे वो पत्ते थे वैसे वाला कलर है ये, और बहुत ही सुंदर वाला फैब्रिक है. It's proper like knit wear and it's turtleneck, full sleeves, full on like woolen. This is the theme for today's video. All my tops are all turtleneck, full sleeves, thermals, but different colors में. Same, literally the same thing I got from Urbanic also, but in off-white color. But ये वाला थोड़ा baggy है, like ये one size है, तो ये I cannot wear this individually. I cannot just wear this and go out. I'm supposed to wear this over probably a thermal or just style this and this together. So this is going to be like a layer item just as a styling element because it's one size. It's a very baggy and ill-fitting kind of thing. I honestly just got it to add a styling element to my thing. I don't even know if I'm going to carry it with me because luggage and weight. So I got this very cool thing from Myntra. ये is a sheer muscle talk वाला jacket and I have never owned something like this. This is when you have to just wear your sports bra, legging and you can just use this as a cover up jacket. अभी मुंबई में sort of वाली winters है. It's not completely cold, so I was wearing a jacket in the morning. But when I started working out, it got really hot for me. So I think something like this would be so cool as a styling element for the gym and just in general. Love the color and simply because it's so different. It's like a mesh top. It has a mesh detailing, it has a zip detailing on the front, and it's got pockets on the side as well. So we've got pockets over here. I also finally got a gym bag from Myntra. ये कब से मेरी wish list में था, and every time I should carry this very old small bag I had to the gym along with like this tote bag with my boxing gloves. And ever since मैंने kickboxing शुरू किया, my boxing gloves take a very huge part in my luggage. I've almost been boxing now since a year. And I never had a proper gym bag. So finally I have this very cool Puma bag. I never liked those duffel bags वो जो round दोनों side से round होते हैं, बहुत funny लगते हैं, मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं उसका shape, और वो carry करने भी मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है, इसलिए I got this different shape. It's like it's ऐसा, it's like a D, half D, and there are lots of compartments, lots of storage in it. It's a dry fit material, completely fold हो जाता है. I've got the top compartment that has my kickboxing gloves. My gloves are inside this, my napkin, all of that goes over here, and then I have this small zip in the front जिसमें मैं अपना lip balm, चावी, गाड़ी की चावी, hair ties, all of that I keep some deodorant in my gym bag, and I also have some compartments on this side भी zip है, और इधर भी water bottle के लिए जगह है. मैं चिल्लर छुट्टा रिक्शा के लिए भी I keep over here. You get two straps with this, by the way. You get like a regular strap like this. This is how I usually carry it, and crossbody भी है if you want to do a crossbody, but I prefer carrying it in my hands. And I love the gym bag, by the way. It's really good. It's for 1500 and I think it's very bang on the buck. Value for money बहुत है उसका. Puma का gym bag है, मैंने Myntra से लिया है. कपड़ों के डिपार्टमेंट में I got some more socks. I got some nude as well as grey socks. These are thermal wool socks because ठंडी जगह. At this point I've repeated that way too many times. I also got a lot of white basic socks because when you're traveling you can never have enough socks, and this came in a set of 5. H&M से खरीदा, ये भी H&M से, and I got one more cute pair of socks for my aunt Larissa. These are really cute because they have a penguin on them. दो colors है, एक nude color का penguin है और दूसरा red color का with the penguins, and these are really like those long ones. They'll ride all the way up. I love this, and this is like my Christmas gift to us. Super cute. So I told you all in that black top that I got something in the same fabric. तो वो ये dress है. It's a super blingy black dress and it's very New Year's appropriate. ये वाला dress I'm going to keep because I like the fit of this. This is for 4000 rupees. It's twice the value of the top, but इसकी fitting ज़्यादा अच्छी है because it has this gathers over here, so it fits really well and it's not very short also, so it gives you sort of like a structure ऊपर से and then it becomes A-line, so it's very New Year's appropriate. If you guys want to get something for New Year's, you should definitely check it out. What I don't like is that the neck is short. I like deeper necks, तो ये काफी short neck है और पीछे there's a zip to give you that perfect fit, and I got this in the size large. I got this in the size large, so that's that. So I've got this another top from Uniqlo which is a deeper neck and it also says heat tech thermal, but ये बहुत पतला fabric है for me to think that it's anyway में thermal, but it's got a deeper neck, so the tops which I am wearing which have deeper necks, I can style it for that. This is not ultra heat tech. ये जो मैंने दूसरे black वाले खरीदे थे वो ultra warm थे, ये सिर्फ थोड़ा सा warm है, so just in the case like in the daytime if I don't feel very cold then I can probably wear this. This is in a nice brown color and that pretty much completes everything that I've got for my vacation. Last जब मैं shopping गई थी काफी लोगों ने guesses किए थे because I had asked you all need to guess now where I'm going and nobody came close. Okay, not even one person has got it right in that video. So now again I'm telling you all, guess करो comments में. इतनी ज़्यादा मैंने ठंडी की चीजें ली है but I've tried to go more on the pastel side to not make it super heavy for me and to make my wardrobe more styling appropriate. आपको कौन सा पीस सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा वो तो ज़रूर कमेंट करना, बट साथ ही साथ बताओ और गेस करो कि मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ because very soon you will be traveling with Sar also. If you like this video, don't forget a big thumbs up. For today's video, Sar's score shout out goes to Gaganpreet. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video, Sarah's score shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad and chance to be part of my next video, Sarah Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you all.